How to download photos to Camera Roll from Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can download Pinterest photos directly to your Camera Roll. So let's get into it. First of all, you require to download the Pinterest application on your mobile phone. So if you have it already, then you can just log into your account. You can access this on iOS or Android. So once you log into your account on Pinterest, then this is what it will look like. So you have to select the photo you want to download. For instance, I want to download this photo. It will open it up. Now you can see at the top we have these three dots. Click on these three dots and you will get the option of download image. Click on download image and you can see the image will be downloaded. Now I can go back and download more images. So it's actually really easy to do. Just select the image, click on these three dots and click on download image. And it's completely free and your image will be downloaded. You can also save or send your image. This save option is for Pinterest, like this photo will be saved to a board, and then I can also share it on WhatsApp, Facebook if I want to. So now these photos are directly being saved to my camera roll or gallery. You can check it out too. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.